Today I'm going to show you how to batch convert file formats from Microsoft Word. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to batch convert. Now, there is no possible way of doing this inside of your Microsoft Word. Okay, if you're going to file, you're going to open, you can open one file at a time, even if you double click on the actual file. So go to this PC and click on the actual file here. You'll be able to maybe select more than one file. So for example, this one, and let's say we want that one. So we've actually selected both of them. And if we say open, it won't actually allow us to convert both files. It'll either open one or the other. Okay, now this is not really the right way of doing it. So what do? Well, we've downloaded some software and it's called docbatchtool.com. If you go to docbatchtool.com, click on download the installer immediately, it will download and install. And once you have downloaded it, go ahead, click on it and simply follow the instructions to install it. Now, once it's installed, it will look like this. It won't look like this. It will look like this. On the left, you want to go down to Word Tool. Once you're down on Word Tool, go and look for Convert Word to DocX. Click on this. Go ahead, click on Add File on the top right, or Import File from Folder, which will allow you to do the entire folder. You can also read and import paths from file or automatically import paths from System Clipboard. What we want to do is just click on Add Files. Once we've got our files in over here, what you want to go ahead and do, click on Next on the bottom. Over here, you can see where it's actually going to be saved. So you can say a new location, or you can delete and overwrite the original path, or you can add it as the same location or the original path. Here's the directory depth, the processing mode, and the notification after being complete. Go ahead, click on Next after you have found a location. We're going to just say downloads. Click on Next, and over here, you need to just read through this. So you are obligated to back up, verify, and validate data before and after processing. So they will not assume any related responsibilities or legal issues. Make sure that you read through all of this. Go ahead, if you're comfortable with what has been said here, click on You are not logged in. Please wait patiently for the amount of time. We've now waited, and we can now click on Understood. Start processing. This will now be processed in a batch, and as you can imagine, the more you have, the longer it will take. You will now see that when you go into the file location that you chose to save these documents into, it will be populated with the files that have been converted.